How to download and install Kling AI image and video maker on your phone. This tutorial will show you the fastest way to get started. First, open the Google Play Store or App Store on your device. In the search bar, type Kling AI image and video maker and search for it. The official app is published by Lohas Games Pte Limited and offers AI image generation, AI video generation, text to video, and image to video features. Once you find the app, tap Install and wait for the download to complete. After the installation is finished, open the Kling AI app. Now tap Sign Up or Log In. You can create an account using your email address or another available sign-in option. After logging in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. From here, you can start creating AI-generated images, generate videos from text prompts, or turn images into videos using Kling AI's built-in tools. If you're using the free version, you'll receive limited credits, but that's enough to explore the basic features and create your first AI projects. And that's it. That's how to download and install Kling AI Image and Video Maker and start creating AI images and videos. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI app tutorials.